If you're looking for a little afternoon treat, maybe around platter o'clock, we have a delicious recipe for you. If you're at home or maybe lucky like us traveling around, this is my grilled balsamic cherries that I'm putting on top of gooey cheese and toast. On our drive down from Launceston down to Hobart, there was a little farm gate that we visited, Somercott cherries. These are absolutely stunning and bring back so many memories. When cherries were in season, I'd go for a drive with my grandpa to the Adelaide Hills and we would eat these cherries. There would be none left by the time we got home, but they're absolutely delicious and I have missed good quality fresh country fruit. So I've been inspired by these today to grill them on the barbecue with a bit of balsamic, and then we're going to top it on top of our cheese and toast. Our traveller has preheated on high for 15 minutes. It's time to put our pan on to get that warming, and I'm going to go straight on to the grill with our cherries. One for me, the rest for the barbecue. We're going to grill our cherries over high heat for only about 4 minutes, flipping halfway through. We just want a bit of that caramelization, the char on the outside. We want the extra depth of flavor from sweetening those cherries and a little bit of smokiness too, which will be absolutely stunning through this sauce. I can smell all those sugars caramelizing, so I know these are ready to come off the barbecue. Really didn't take long at all to build that flavor. All it takes is a hot barbecue. Now we'll take these off, and then the next step is to get rid of all those seeds. Those cherries has softened slightly, which makes this even easier to get rid of those seeds. Literally just squash them between your fingers. Really handy to have some gloves on here for staining and also to protect them from that little bit of heat left inside. Squeeze them and pick that seed out. Not too far away from where we're staying is Bruny Island cheese, which is absolutely perfect because this recipe I need cheese and bread, and they have these beautifully baked baguettes as well as the cheese. We had a sneaky little tasting of this and this will be perfect. It's the 1792. It's got a little bit of an extra funky taste on the outside. It's been matured on Huon pine board, so it's a little bit smoky too. So nice strong flavors. It'll go perfect with the cherry, but really you could easily use your favorite brie or camembert for this dish. Little fun fact too, this cheese was named after when the French first landed on Tasmania. To cook these cherries down a bit further, what we're going to do is add them to the pan, and then I'm going to add in some brown sugar. We want to add a bit of extra sweetness, but more so to create a syrup. So we're just going with a tablespoon or two. Let's go 2 tablespoons. You can see those juices are bubbling. We just want a little more juice to come out of the cherries. And then I'm also going in with some balsamic vinegar. So we need to strike that perfect balance of the sweet, the sour, and also that sharp vinegar. So let's just go in with 1.5 tablespoons, and then we'll have a little taste from there and see if we've hit that balance. We're going a little extra luxurious today and lightly oiling our breads, making them nice and crispy and delicious. Just give the cooking grill a quick brush down, get rid of that leftover cherry, and then we can go on with our toast. So we're just lightly toasting these for about 1 minute aside. Just want those beautiful grill marks. And then we're going to flip them over and add a couple slices of our cheese on top just to soften and go oozy gooey on top. We'll just close that lid and leave them to cook for another minute or two, just until that cheese has softened. This is an exciting part where the dish all comes together. We'll take this cheesy toast off. Look at that, just started to goo. Our toasts are perfectly toasted. We've got our wonderful cheesy toast here. And then my cherries just need a little season of salt just to balance and round out that flavour. And then this can come off the barbecue and we are ready to sit back, relax and enjoy. What a perfect way to end the afternoon or start the afternoon. We've got our beautiful balsamic cherries here. And I know I've done these as kind of like an afternoon platter snack, but these would actually be so yum on your Christmas ham, sliced turkey, maybe even some wallaby. We've seen a lot of wallaby on menus here in Tasmania. Be absolutely stunning. Just pop a couple cherries on each toast. The last thing that I want to finish this dish with is some beautiful Tasmanian leatherwood honey, again just from down the road. Just a light little drizzle. It's going to go so well with that gooey mature cheese. If I was at home, I'd love to put a little sprinkle of fresh thyme picked out of the garden over the top of these, but we are having the best time here in Tasmania. What a stunning spot. I can't wait to enjoy these and just relax, soak up all this scenery and maybe head out for a little adventure later.